Good morning. Here we are on the last day of 2025. Beautiful bright morning. I've been out here to the ruined church of St James, Bawsey, Norfolk, near King's Lynn. It's a site I've visited before with the drone, but it's always worth another one. And it's a lovely day. So I've had the Air 3S up and got some nice footage. And I thought I'd take a little trip round with the 360 and give you an idea of the inside of it. You can see it's all built out of, well, mainly flint, but I think some of the other stone is Carston, which is a local stone. There's flint and Carstone in there, in those walls. So you can see there's not a lot of it left. And there we've got the tower. And pretty magnificent specimen, really. One complete arch, and then a broken arch. It always makes me stand and look in awe of how these places were built all those hundreds and hundreds of years ago with just very, very primitive tools and techniques. And then I think, well, why is it these days we can't even match these buildings, in my opinion? I like to discover these old buildings, but equally, I would also like, and I do like in sometimes, to explore more modern buildings. But unfortunately, it's rarer to get the opportunity to explore something architecturally sound. You can see where the old roof was inset to that end of the building in three different places, three different heights. There's a lower one, then a middle, and then a higher one. Incredible. I know this is mainly built out of fairly small pieces of stone, and some of the places I visit are built out of huge, huge stones. And then you have to wonder, well, how did they get those in place? It's amazing what people can do, given determination and even the most basic of tools and techniques. Hopefully, give you a bit of an insight into this old building. If you're in the area, it's worth a look.